Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to insert information into your tables. In the last video, we created a database called workers here, and we created a table inside the database called users. I've gone ahead and added a few users for illustration. As you can see, we have a few users here. So this video will show you how to insert users into your database manually. Okay, so now in this table called users, first we select this database called workers. Okay, it's selected, and we know the columns we have for our users table. Okay, first let us see the columns. And in the columns, we have a column for ID. We have a column for ID. This one we don't need to do anything because it will be automatically added by the system. Okay, but we have email, first name, last name, and position, okay, of our workers. So let us add information. Click on the database. Okay, and now we go to SQL. So we are going to learn basic SQL statements that will enable you to insert information, select information, like sort information according to what you want, maybe the IDs, the names, and we are also going to learn about editing the information or updating and deleting. So first we insert the information so we can be able to manipulate the data. To insert information, you say insert, okay, insert into, then the name of the table you want to insert into is called users. As you can see here, it's called users, and in the users table we are going to insert 4 things. The first thing we are inserting is email. You can remember these columns we have in our users table. And the next one is first name, first underscore name. Okay, the next one is last name, last underscore name. Then the last one is position. So insert into users. Now inside the users table, what do you want to insert? An email, a first name, a last name, and a position. Okay, and now for those on what do you want to insert? Now values. So values, and what are the values you want to insert? Okay, the first value is the email. Okay, let us say insert at insert.com. Okay, we are doing this so we can be able to trace this email immediately in the table and show you the information we just inserted. Okay, it will be called insert at insert.com, then a comma, and then the first name you're going to have, this person is called insert. Okay, then apostrophe, then the comma, a comma here, then the last name is insert again. Okay, this should be this should be in those marks there. Okay, and their position in the organization, maybe they are a clerk. Okay, so clerk, and there we have it. We are done. You can terminate. We are done, and the only remaining thing is to click on go, so we can enter this information into the table. Click on go. It's loading. As you can see now, one row inserted row ID is number 12. You see, number 12. So we can go and check for ID number 12 and see if our values are the same as these ones. The email is this, the names are this, and is a clerk. So we go to our table users, and inside the users we should be able to see the information that we just entered. ID 12 is here, as you can see. This is the ID here. This is the, not this one, this is the row. This is the row here. You can see 12 insert at insert.com. The name is insert and is a clerk. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Kindly like, share and subscribe. The next video we are going to learn about the selecting information, sorting information based on IDs or names or emails, finding someone in the database using the SQL statements. See you in the next video.